Imagine this: you're on a job site miles away from a decent cell signal. Maybe you're deep in a basement, a rural area, or a building with terrible reception. A new work order just came through, and you need to access client details, add photos, and get a signature for a completed task. But your internet is gone. What do? Do you stop work and drive around until you find a signal? Do you scribble everything on a notepad, hoping you don't lose it? Or do you just assume all that critical information will be there when you're back in range? This is a scenario that field service professionals face every day. And it's why a robust offline mode is not just a nice-to-have feature in your job management software. It's a non-negotiable one. The ability to work seamlessly without an internet connection can be the difference between a productive day and a complete disaster. It can mean the difference between a happy customer and a frustrated one. It can even be the difference between getting paid on time and dealing with a mountain of forgotten paperwork. Today, we're going to dive into a question we get all the time. Can you use ServiceM8 offline? The short answer is yes. But the real story is in the details of how ServiceM8 makes this possible, and why its approach is so effective for businesses that operate in the real world, where connectivity isn't always guaranteed. ServiceM8 was built with the reality of field service work in mind. They understood that their users would be in basements, on rooftops, in remote locations, and in buildings with thick walls that laugh in the face of Wi-Fi. That's why the core of the ServiceM8 app is designed to be fully functional, even when you have 0 bars. So, let's break down exactly what you can do. When you're offline, the app isn't just a static viewer of old data. It's a live, working tool. You can access all of your job information. We're talking client details, job descriptions, notes, and attachments. Your schedule for the day is right there, so you know where you're going next and what needs to be done. You can even check your job history for a specific client, which is a lifesaver when you're troubleshooting a recurring issue and need to see what was done last time. But it gets better. This isn't a one-way street. You don't just consume information. You can create it. You can take new photos and videos of the work you're doing and add them directly to the job card. No more snapping pictures on your phone and then trying to remember which one goes with which job when you're back at the office. You can collect a customer's signature right on your device, creating a digital record of job completion and approval. Need to add a note about a change in scope or a material you need to pick up? You can do that too. All of this new data is stored securely on your device, just waiting for a connection. The real magic happens the moment you regain connectivity. ServiceM8 automatically and seamlessly syncs all the changes you made while offline. The photos you took, the signatures you collected, the notes you wrote, it all uploads to the cloud and is immediately available to the office staff and other team members. No manual syncing, no remembering to hit upload, no hassle. This is what we mean when we say ServiceM8 is a truly mobile-first solution. It doesn't rely on a constant connection. It uses the connection as a tool to bridge the gap between the field and the office, not as a requirement for basic functionality. Now, you might be thinking, what are the limitations? What can't I do offline? And that's a fair question. The short answer is that anything that requires communication with an external party or a third-party service is not going to work. This makes sense, right? You can't send an email or a text message to a client without an internet connection. You can't process a credit card payment on the spot. And you can't generate a final invoice or a quote that needs to be emailed to the client. But the app is smart. It will queue up these actions. So when you get back online, the emails will be sent, the payment will be processed, and the invoices will be delivered. The work is done. You just need to get back to a signal for the final communication. This capability is a huge advantage for businesses. It means your technicians can stay productive all day, no matter where they are. It eliminates the need for them to spend time on administrative tasks at the end of the day when they're back at the office. And it dramatically reduces the risk of human error from transcribing notes from a piece of paper into the system. The emphasis ServiceM8 places on its iOS app is a key part of this story. By focusing on Apple's ecosystem, they've been able to build an incredibly stable, fast, and reliable app that takes full advantage of the underlying hardware and software. This dedication to a single platform allows for a superior user experience, especially when it comes to things like offline data management and performance. The app is a true partner to the device, not just a simple web wrapper. So, to bring it all back to that initial question, can you use ServiceM8 offline? Yes, you can. And not only can you use it, but it's designed to be a powerful and effective tool that empowers your team to get the job done, regardless of their connectivity status. It's about letting your team focus on the work, not on the technology. It's about ensuring that every moment in the field is a productive one. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.